Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5695 McPherson's Point and an amazing property in a rare CONESUS Lake location. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This turnkey, ready-to-move-in property is zoned a two-family, yet is super as a single-family home. This upper level features an elevated lakeview great room with a gas fireplace and painted wood walls, a kitchen with white cabinetry, a bath, and a spacious bedroom. The upper level also has a spectacular lakeview balcony. What a great place to see the fireworks for the 4th of July. The lower level has 2 bedrooms, kitchen and laundry area, and bath, with access to the 2-car garage and scenic backyard. What a great place for family or guests. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the details with newer windows, vinyl siding, and more. The beautifully landscaped backyard has incredible nature views. Prestigious McPherson's Point is an amazing neighborhood that celebrates exceptional lake living, located on the east side of CONESUS Lake, with marinas, shops, and restaurants at the north end of the lake in charming Lakeville, as well as Livonia, with easy access to Route 390 and to Rochester and all of western New York. Nearby is SUNY Geneseo, a great college, and Letchworth State Park, the Grand Canyon of the East. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5695 McPherson's Point in this special CONESUS Lake location. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.